Hey, okay, this is a real quick how-to video, how to share a stream. If you need to share that with me or another teacher, this will be the first of, I'm sure, more videos helping you with a little bit of tech know-how. So first of all, here's this little thingamajigger right here. You can see there's some steps. So, and I'm going to walk you through each of these. But for some of you, this might be enough. You're going to sign into Office. And you got to search through all your apps, search for stream. You're going to click on My Content. It looks like this right here, My Content. And then from there, you got to pick a video that you want to share. And then you're going to click the little three dots, update video details. And then from there, you can either add the teacher's name, just make sure you spell it right. We should come up. Or you can check the box, allow everyone in your company to see this video. That would mean that anybody from our school would be able to see it, okay? And then to kind of hone in on those last steps, I'll get to that in a minute. But now I'm just gonna walk you through how we would do that. So first things first, you would get to Microsoft Office Home. This is what my home currently looks like, lots of fun stuff. Then you click right there on that waffle. That's what is meant by waffle. And then my stream is pinned because I've been going to it really frequently. But what it's probably going to look like for you is that's not going to be there. So you click all apps. All right. And you can see I've already typed stream. Stream will come up. It's going to take you to a page that looks something like this, except it won't say welcome back, Sarah. It'll say welcome back, your name. And then you're going to go to my content because those are videos that you have recorded. All right. There's different videos. Okay. So then say this is the video that I want to share with, say, my teacher or a colleague or something. And then what you're going to do is you're going to think that you want to go share, but this doesn't work. I'm sorry. It's funky that it doesn't just work, but it doesn't. Okay. Because of the viewable by authorized users issue. So you're not going to go to share. That actually doesn't work, unfortunately. What you're going to go is to the ... more actions. And then you're going to go update video details. All right. Then from there, you can see, oh, the people who are currently authorized are the people who were in that meeting. So otherwise, like if you're trying to share a stream with somebody who wasn't in that meeting, they're not going to be able to see it unless you add their name to this list. So I could add my own name, but that's not really going to work because I'm already in it. I'm already authorized, but let's just see what happens. Then I would come up and then I would be able to be added to that. So you could do it that way. You would add the teacher's name. It seems to work best last name first. Okay. The other way you could do that, if you don't like spelling and that stresses you out, is you could just click allow everyone in your company to view this video, and then make sure you hit apply. And there you go. However, I'm going to change those settings again. I'm not going to allow everyone to view this video. I want to just share it with select people that I trust. So I'm going to remove company-wide access. And there you have it. Just again, to show you these final steps, the first screenshot, right? You're going to go to my content. I've selected the video. You hit update video details. And then that pulls up this box right here. You can either choose to allow everyone in your company to view this video, or you can share with select people, put in your teacher's last name and then first name, hit search, and then they should come up as being able to see it. All right, that's all. I hope you find this helpful.